This is Anthony. I'm coming to you from the Concord Airport. Today is April 1st, 2021, and I have good news. Today, I get my T-hangar. My plane is in annual now, but my T-hangar came available, so my plane will be out of annual probably Friday, and this will be its new home. So let's look at it together. It's my new Denali. So let's look at the T-hangar and see what it's like. It's T-hangar D6. So let's open her up. And see what we have. We have lots of space. It's a pretty nice sized T-hangar. It's kind of hard to push this thing. So to give you some perspective, that's what we're working with. It is pretty clean, nice floor. Has electrical power. Whoever was in here before left some old marine photo that they could have took with them. And 2 used tires that ain't worth jack in a garbage can that I'm sure I'll be using. But other than that, it's pretty clean. So this is Anthony's T-hangar. So what will I do? I don't know for sure. All I know for sure that I'm going to do is I know I'm going to put some fishing pole up there, put some music in here so that when I'm in here chilling, I can play my music. So this is my T-hangar. I hope